Hello everyone. So we have come up with a new feature, that is Zoho integration. How it will help you? So with Zoho integration, you can easily move all your invoices from TranZact to Zoho. Let me show you. So this is our approved segment. Here two of the invoices are there which I need to move to Zoho. So what I will do, I will go to accounting reports, click on sales register. I will just type voucher number 1 and I will select Zoho books. Then generate the report. After that, an Excel will get downloaded. Now I will open this Excel. Please check, these are the two of the invoices which are into Excel, which I will send it in Zoho. What is next? Now I need to go to the Zoho platform. So this is how my Zoho books platform will look like. So here I need to go to sales, and then after I need to go to invoices. Right hand side 3 dot, you will see an option of import invoices. Click on that. Once you will click on import invoices, choose file. After selecting the file, let me quickly go ahead and select it. Yeah, so this is the report which I downloaded. I selected it. Click on next. After that, it will just show you the mapped fields. The map fields get updated automatically. After that, click on next. It will show you that invoices that are ready to be imported to, and I will just click on import. Please check, my two of the invoices are imported. This is how your invoice will look like. I hope this particular feature will be helpful in order to go ahead and do Zoho integration. Have a good day ahead.